Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Agile plugin in status feature. So firstly, let's go and see how to enable and switch on this feature. Okay, so we go to our Agile project and go to the Agile board afterward and just expand the options here. So we click and now we see the in status that is located here. So we just click here and then click on apply. Okay, so we see that on our agile cards we have now in status parameter here. So this means that this particular card and issue is staying for this hours into this status, into this column. So in our case, in this example, it is 0 hours. So this is an issue that is just created now. So it is brand new, ready for doing issue. So it is in progress. Uh, yeah, so it is started to be working on this issue just now. All right, so we see that the new status here has this card that is added 3 hours ago into this status. So if we move this here, it will become 0 hours, all right? Because yeah, it is going to be just yeah, just moved here now. So it is in this status in progress added now, so it is 0 hours. Okay. Yeah, this is actually very helpful parameter because in this way you could see how the things are going with the issues and with the tickets and why some workers just have a lot of delay on some issues. For example, we see here this one is in new status for 13 days. So yeah, it seems to be some low priority task because 13 days is a lot of time, all right? Okay, so yeah, some guy has to pick this issue and just make it to be 0 hours here. Uh, yeah, in this status. So yeah, it is just a statistics that is again to say very useful when you would like to see how much a ticket is staying in the current status. Okay, so for example, we see this task here, so it is staying into resolved status for 6 days. And yeah, as have been resolved, then there is no much doing onto this issue. Maybe the best way is to just close this issue into this way. Okay, so it is now moved from resolved to closed. And by the way, if you wish, you could also make the closed column and issue status available. So it's doing in this way. Okay, yeah, so this is it. We have 0 hours here because it is closed now. This is closed 80, yeah, 11 days ago, and so on. So yeah, this is how this feature and statistics works. And I would like to show you one more thing. Yeah, if you would like to not every time click on the in status to see the parameters on the tickets, then it is very useful to use the saving feature. So you could save your Agile board and name it, for example, in status parameter. All right. So it could be to any users, to me only. This is up to you how you would like to proceed here. Yeah, okay, for all projects. And yeah, we just save. So if you clear the board or go somewhere else, for example, another project and return back to the Agile and go to the board and just would like to see how is the things about the in status, then you could do it with one click. So you see here on the right sidebar, there is a Agile boards and we have in status parameter. This is it. So we click here and it automatically applies the settings that we made. So it was the in status option as well as the closed column to be appearing. All right, so just yeah, just with one click. And if we have made it to be to visible to me only, then it should have appeared here into my Agile boards. However, it is appearing here on the global Agile boards where everyone can access this saved board for the in status. All right. Uh, yeah. So this was the feature about in status, showing how many hours or days one ticket is staying into a particular issue status or column. It is the same thing. So, yeah, this was it. Thank you very much for watching this. Thank you for your patience. I hope this video was good for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUp. Please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. So, yeah, also subscribe to our channel on YouTube and stay tuned. Bye bye.